officially open the segment of our today's program. Sir Dr. Jibraj Pokhrel, Vice President of NCDM, to deliver the welcome speech. Please join me welcoming him to the stage.
For the delightful conduction of this program. It's a matter of great pleasure, it's a matter of great pride, and a matter of great privilege to welcome you in this memorable, program. It's a matter of great pleasure because we have got this opportunity to assemble in such a beautiful place. It's a matter of great pride because we have had opportunity to work with ward of this particular municipality, and the credit goes to the ward chairperson and the members of the ward who have supported him. And it's a matter of great privilege to get to work with a prestigious institution like InDrive, which has been making a very dramatic kind of a, progress. We, only since last years we have been hearing it, and now it has been in everybody's lips. Okay, I'd like to welcome all of you, especially persons यहाँ आउनुभएका यहाँका स्थानीय भद्र भलाद्मी महोदयहरूलाई म चाहिँ धेरै स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु because we have very little time, so welcoming you, wishing you a very good time here in this particular ward and also in Kathmandu. I like to bring my welcome remark to a close. Thank you.
I would like to call Professor Dr. Visalnath Upredi, President of NCDM, for explaining about the project highlights.
There are so many people, so many places that they need this support. 5 houses in this large area. It's just the beginning, and it's just the kind. We said it's a model house that we are making. And I would like to tell a little bit about the house that Jibraj ji didn't explain. He is the architect, he is the engineer, and he has developed this concept, not now, it was almost after 2015 or even before, I don't know, that he started this concept after the earthquake. A lot of people had a problem, 10,000 people died, almost 500,000 houses were collapsed and they had to be rebuilt. So at that time he started for the temporary shelter, and then he made this concept, and then he started the construction of small number of houses. So that's how we started, and this is already 8-10 years that has been implemented. But here, this place, we said, okay, let's do it as model houses for the villagers. Very important thing you should remember that if you bring something to a village, to the people, it has to be acceptable to them. If it is not acceptable to them, you can't make those houses. So when we came here and explained to the people, some people say, oh, bamboo houses, what we'll do with the bamboo house? But when you see today, you will see that, bamboo houses that we have made is something like, it is the earthquake resistant, it is the fire resistant, it is also the design that is made. That is why it is slightly expensive, is that it is also thermal resistant. That means, its temperature inside the room is almost constant. Even in the cold, it is not very cold inside. Even in the summer, it is very comfortable. So this is something like a very unique design that we have, and we wish that this concept, this design is really spreads all over Nepal and works as a permanent house rather than these traditional other houses. We are expecting big earthquakes. We very often have earthquakes, and when these earthquakes happen, you can see these houses just in front of you, the backside of you, these collapse so quickly and they kill a lot of people. But these houses are very safe from earthquakes, and they can last for another 20 years or 25 years without any problem. So for that reason, we see that in future, if we can propagate this idea, it will be very important. Many times in my talks in televisions, and even we had earthquake in China and Tibet, and then the BBC in their main news, they invited me to give a small bite there, and then I talked that this is all the way from Afghanistan to Pakistan, Nepal, India, Bhutan, Sikkim and Tibet. Everywhere we have these stone houses. Whenever we have an earthquake, they kill thousands of people. If we have these kind of houses, or shelter houses, it will be very important. And it's not just for Nepal, this concept can go all around wherever we have these stone buildings. Thank you so much, Drive, selecting us for this noble work. And also we are so much thankful to our ward chairman. Without him, we couldn't have done this work. He took so much of pain to take us to so many places, select the people. We don't select the people, we don't select the house. It's the ward which you select. So, Ramkrishna ji and also the members, we are so much thankful to you. तपाईहरुलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ तपाईहरुले यति सपोर्ट गर्नु भएको छ यो कामको लागि र चाहिँ हामी आशा गरौं InDrive will come forward for more support to these needy people after this big disaster that we had a few months before. I think with this, once again, I thank you all for coming all the way in this remote area, including Priyanka ji. We came so much, you see how difficult the terrain is, and now when you go to the site, you will see it is more difficult further down, where you will see they are really living in a very remote areas, and you can see the disaster what had happened during that time. With this, thank you so much to all of you. Thank you.
And that is check handover ceremony. So for that, now I would like to call Mr. Mark Tole, Asia Pacific Director of InDrive, Ms. Pavit Nanda Anand, Communication Lead for Asia Pacific InDrive, Mr. Nirmal Panda, and Ms. Sunita Rai from the InDrive team over here. I would like to call President Sir and Vice President Sir over here in the stage. And moving forward, now I'd like to call Ms. Pavit Nanda Anand.
Namaste, I'm Pavit from InDrive. Thank you so much for everyone to join us today. So this is a very special moment for us as a brand for InDrive, because our mission is to basically challenge injustice and impact life of people here. So by impacting life, what we mean is, to help people in whatever way we can. So this initiative, by tying up with NCDM, is basically to, it's a part of impacting life. So with this, this is a, we've built houses. I think some of us will go now and see. I've seen it early this week. It's a beautiful house. And thanks to the NCDM team who built this beautiful houses. And it's temporary house, but I think it's also permanent, where people can stay for like, I think 15-20 years also. It's built in a very strong way. So we hope that it helps these people who, the families for whom we've built. And we hope that in future we can, help, and with help of NCDM, we can build up more houses in the areas which has been affected. So thank you everyone.
Now I would like to call all the members of InDrive for the key distribution ceremony to the family. त्यसै गरी म चाहिँ खनाल फ्यामिलीलाई यहाँ अगाडि आइदिनु हुन अनुरोध गर्छु कि रिसिभ गर्नको लागि। I would like to call Mr. Mark Tole for his speech over here.
Thanks guys, I will keep it relatively short, but for me this is it's a real pleasure to be here, and I think for everyone to be here as well. InDrive, as Pavit mentioned, we have this mission to positively impact 1 billion people by 2030. And we do that through our Envision program, and we do it through what we do in our day-to-day jobs as well. This initiative here with the NCDM to help the victims of the flood and the earthquakes of last year is one of those initiatives. And it's always close to our hearts, it's close to our founders' hearts, and it's close to the hearts of everyone who works at InDrive. And I can get quite emotional with these because we know the difference that it makes to people's lives. Like, we truly know it. And we partner and join hands with the best people that we can to help make that a reality. And here in Nepal, we've been able to do it through building houses, but not just houses. these are locally, the innovation done to use bamboo and mud to make them sustainable, to make them more resistant through any other potential future earthquakes, and to be temperature controlled is for me phenomenal. And to see the impact this will have on people's lives, and to see that it's a stepping stone to what can be done in the future is phenomenal. So I'm going to end with thank you for everyone being here. Again, a special thanks to Bianca, also for coming all the way out here. And I'm excited to go see the house. And for those of you who are coming, I'm really excited for you to come as well. And hopefully we'll be here again. Let's see. Thanks everyone.
It's a blanket distribution segment, and for that I'd like to call Mark once again and Priyanka ma'am and अनि हाम्रो वडाको अध्यक्ष ज्यू सरलाई अगाडि बोलाउन चाहन्छु।
सम्पूर्ण महानुभावप्रति हाम्रो यस वडा कार्यालयको परिवारको तर्फबाट हार्दिक धन्यवाद व्यक्त गर्दछौँ। वास्तवमै जुन यो हाम्रो विपद 2081 असोजको 10 गतेदेखि 12 गतेसम्म अविरल रूपमा परेको थियो र त्यसमा यो 3टा जिल्ला अत्यन्तै क्षतिग्रस्त भएको थियो। त्यसमध्ये काभ्रे जिल्ला मोस्ट 1 नम्बरमै परेको थियो र त्यसमध्ये पनि हाम्रो यो नवबुद्ध नगरपालिका जुन किसिमको असोजको 10 देखि 12 सम्मको विपदबाट चाहिँ लगभग 250 जना हाराहारीमा ज्यान गुमाउनेको सङ्ख्या पुगेको थियो भनेदेखि हाम्रो यस नवबुद्ध नगरपालिकामा 7 जना महानुभावहरूले ज्यान गुमाउनु परेको अवस्था थियो। त्यसैमध्येमा हाम्रो यो नवबुद्ध नगरपालिकाको वडा नम्बर 10 मा लगभग हामीको 60 वटा घर चाहिँ भग्नावशेष अवस्थामा भएको अवस्था थियो र सयौंको संख्यामा पशु चौपायाहरूको क्षति भएको थियो। मानवीय क्षति भएर हाम्रो यस वडामा हुन सकेको थिएन, बचेका थियौँ। तसर्थ त्यसबाट अत्यन्तै यो मर्म, अत्यन्तै पीडित र अत्यन्तै हेर्दाखेरिमा दयनीय अवस्थाका घरहरू हामी कहाँ 7 वटा घरधुरी चाहिँ घर सबै लडेको अवस्थामा 57 थियो। त्यसमा विभिन्न कोडबाट आर्थिक स्थितिमा विभिन्न तरिकाबाट चाहिँ जिउन सक्ने आधार रहनुभएका अरू महानुभाव बाहेक 7 वटा घर चाहिँ हाम्रो अत्यन्तै हेर्दाखेरिमा मर्मस्पर्धी, अत्यन्तै अब एउटा मानवता छ, एउटा वास्तवमा मानवै हो सहयोग गर्नुपर्छ भने गर्नुपर्ने खालको 7 वटा घर थियो। त्यसमध्ये पनि यो 2टा घर जुन किसिमको यो एउटा हामी एउटा ढुङ्गाको खोजीमा थियौँ, वास्तवमै भगवानै भेटेको मैले महसुस गरेको छु। मेरो सानो 2 शब्द यहाँ यति गर्छु। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
अब for further I would like to call Ram sir from NCDM for word of thanks.
यो घर धनी महानुभावलाई हाम्रो यो प्रविधि एनसीडीएम र इनड्राइभ र एनसीडीएम को जोइन्ट प्रविधिको टेस्ट नगरिकन तपाईले स्वागत गर्नुभएकोमा हामी आभारी छौँ, धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छौँ। स्पेशल थ्याङ्क्स goes to InDrive. Without their initiative and contribution, this support program could not have been happen. Thanks to Mark, Nemal, Pavit, Sunita and InDrive team to make this event icon event of disaster support for community in Nepal. Special thanks to Priyanka ji for your gracious presence. Thanks to media and friends. Thank you so much.
घरधनी सर कनाल फ्यामिलीलाई चाहिँ यहाँ अगाडि बोलाउन चाहन्छु। तपाईलाई कस्तो लागिरहेछ त इनड्राइभ एनसीडीएमले चाहिँ तपाईलाई घर बनाइदिनु भयो?
मलाई त धेरै धन्यवाद लागिरहेछ। मेरो बास थिएन, मैले 6 परिवार छ, दाइको 5 परिवार छ हैन। हामी स्कुलमा बसिरहेका छौँ अहिले। हाम्रो अहिले गएर राख्नुभएको हो अध्यक्षज्यूले। धेरै धेरै हामीलाई त अहिले धेरै राम्रो छ, धेरै राम्रो घर बनाइदिनु भयो उहाँहरूले। खासै आउँदैन है।
थ्याङ्क यू।
सामान बनेको
मिलन भाइ For the steps that you made. Okay.
Ceiling, you can explain.
And then your gap, and in the summer it will be cool.
Yeah. Are thrown away 10 kilometers, 5 kilometers away, that's all gone. But here, it is the mud at the top.
Yeah.
2 inches or I don't know how much. 1 inch thick mud. That plastic is not simple. That's what is the. This is the gap. So that there's no leakage in the winter. Already done out. Rainy season, it's for rainy season and dry season, everything. It's a complete house.
यहाँ तो घर धनी आउनुहोस् न एकपल्ट यहाँ घर धनी
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, all of you, for attending this event. Thank you.